Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. So me and Ava are at HomeGoods. We're about to run in here. I really just came here to look for some new washcloths. I love using white washcloths in my house and they tend to get kind of dingy really quickly, so I'm constantly just replenishing our white washcloths. So I came here to pick up some new washcloths and also look for a Halloween blanket because we're going to be making our Halloween fort this weekend, and I just wanted to see if I could find one more blanket. Then we are going to go home and make some juices. Halloween movie night. We're gonna go home and juice. I have a bunch of vegetables that I bought yesterday, so I'm gonna go home and make me some juices, and then I'm gonna tidy up the house because my brother, yay, my brother is coming to visit me tomorrow. So excited. He's gonna be staying with us for a few days. He's actually coming from Denver. I'm very excited to see him. Haven't seen him in a while, so I'm just gonna go home and tidy up the house, get the bathroom cleaned up that he will be using, get some fresh sheets and everything ready for him. I'm gonna bring you guys along, hang out with us today while we shop, juice prep, and clean. So stay tuned. We're early. This HomeGoods doesn't open until 9:30, so we have a few minutes to wait, and then we're gonna head in here and see what finds they have. So let's go. From HomeGoods, we did pick up a few things that I just want to share with you guys. I did get some washcloths. I got 2 packs of the gray and 2 packs of the white. Got some of these Halloween tea lights that I want to add to like my candles just to make them look real. I'm going to be adding these inside of our fort. Picked up these cute little spatulas. Of course, all things Mickey and Minnie. So those were cute little Halloween ones. It's that time of year, weather is getting down, so I get the girls both a hat and a scarf. And then I got this bowl, this skeleton bowl that came with like a little rolling pin and another little spatula with a skeleton on it. Super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and get juicing and show you guys a peek of the refrigerator of what I have in there. So much goodness in there, fruits and vegetables that I'm about to pull out, get it all washed up, and me and Ava are gonna start juicing and make a couple of juices, and then I'm gonna get into cleaning. Don't have to cook today because we're gonna be eating some of leftovers from yesterday. It was more than what I expected, so we're just gonna be eating that today for dinner, which gives me more time to focus on cleaning. So let me jump right into this. Oh my gosh, you are too cute, girl. I'm gonna throw a snowball at you. You're gonna be nice and warm. This thing is all nice and toasty. It's soft, right? All right, let me stop playing around and get this juice going. And so these juices, I made 6 of them. So this will be for me and husband. So this is what we are looking like. So I made one with beet. Then this one is like fiber, oxic, and a bunch of green ones with different things like fennel, parsnip, cucumber, celery, all goodness in there. So I'm gonna get those into the fridge and get over to the bathroom so I can get cleaning and then head and pick up Tatiana. All right guys, I'm about to get clean in this bathroom. I had to go change my shirt. It's getting too hot. I know what it is. I had already adjusted my thermostat, and then today it's like 80 degrees, so it's mad hot in here. And I'm over here all sweating. I had a... Hello! They can't see you, Kiki, but let me pick you up. Say hello.
Hello.
Welcome to the vlog. Say it.
Welcome to the vlog.
All right, let mommy clean up. The princess is home from school.
Hello.
The princess is home from school. Look, we got you some new stuff. New stuff. You got a new hat. Look, you got a new hat, new glove, new scarf. Tatiana is getting ready to start basketball. So we ordered her shoes and they just arrived. I'm so excited for her to see them. You ready? Here we go. You ready? Whoa, those are cute.
Mommy, those are also boys.
No, they're not. These are her shoes. Ain't they so cute? Her basketball shoes. She about to be balling on the court.
Mommy.
So I'm about to head into the office and get ready for her conference. It's a Zoom conference, so I'm about to head over there and then I'm gonna finish cleaning up afterwards. We'll go ahead and end this vlog here. Thanks for hanging out with us today guys. We will see you in the next one.